This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Right, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. So the Ioniq 5N, it's supposed to do it in 3.4 seconds, but I think because of winter tires and the fact that the car is a bit heavy, then we don't get that result, unfortunately. So this is what I've seen over and over again, that somewhat heavy cars, maybe 2.3 tons and up, they suffer with winter tires. So compared to the regular Ioniq 5, you see that it is down here somewhere there, but this is the previous generation. I'm not sure how it is now. Actually, I heard that it's supposed to be even slower, maybe because it's slightly heavier. So, but compared to that, you see, oh, here's also the EV6. So they are supposed to do it in roughly 5 seconds, at least real world test, actually over going faster in spec even. So in that regard, okay, 5 seconds versus the other way, versus here 3.7. I mean, it doesn't sound like much, but it just feels a lot quicker. And then when it comes to noise, also very good, but it could also be because we have the R5 EV tires. They are known to be very quiet, so 65 decibel, and then compared to other cars, here we have the Ioniq 6 rear-wheel drive. Yeah, it seems like they have roughly the same noise levels in, this was even with 21-inch wheels. Look, 35 profile tires. So this is an indication that the R5 EV, they're really quiet compared to a Continental. But look here, quite close to the top, very good soundproofing compared to stuff down here that is around 68 decibels. So yeah, there you guys have it. Ioniq 5 goes like a beast, but also quiet and comfortable. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.